So this program is interesting because in it we use a loop to print all of the special characters between number 1 and 255. We already know that number 1 is the hollow smiley face and so on, but there are quite a few special characters, and we can, like I said, just use a loop to print them all out and look at what we have. So here I'm going to run this program, and we can see a lot of special characters. For example, like the classic division symbol right here, that would be character code 247. We have a lot of foreign characters, like characters from foreign languages rather, and a lot of Greek letters. We have fractions, 1/4, 1/2, and so on. Okay. Now one thing you'll notice is my characters start at 107. Okay. This loop is set up to start printing with special character number 1, which is the smiley face. The reason we don't see those lower numbers is because the output window is not set up to have that many lines of code. If you want, you can see that little black button. You can click on that and go to Properties, and then for the screen buffer size, maybe if you double that, like up to 600, then you'll see more of the special characters. See, starting with 1, there are the smiley faces and so on. Okay, so that's something that you can look at. Just run this program and look if there's a character that you like and you might want to use it in one of your programs, then this is an easy way to run the program and look and see what the character code is. Now, what about the code here? Let's look at the output, and then we'll see exactly what's generating this. First, we start with the number, the character code, and then we have a tab, and then we have the special character. So that's the pattern there. We have the number itself, a tab, the special character, and then we wrap to the next line, really. So let's look at the code that's generating this. I have a loop counter, or a loop with a counter variable that starts at 1 and ends at 255. So we said we were going to look at all the special characters between 1 and 255. So we're using text window write line to first print counter. Okay, so then we have that's what gives us the numbers lining up on the far left. This is counter. First time through the loop, counter is 1, so we see the number 1. All right, then what do we see after counter? The space. Not the space, the tab, rather. So this is what gives us the tab. It's special character number 9. Okay. Then, after the tab, we see the special character itself. And again, we're using the getCharacter method, but we're providing counters. So we know that the special character for number 1 is the smiley face. Okay, and then what's next is a line wrap, or a new line. And we know we can use text.getCharacter provided a number 10, and that'll give us a new line. So again, just to reiterate, we have the number itself, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, all the way up to 255. And then we're doing a tab, which is special character number 9. And then we have the special character itself, where we're using, once again, getCharacter with the loop counter. Okay. And finally, getCharacter providing a number of 10, and that will give us the next line, or get us to the next line.